Hello, first grade parents. I'm just going to double check. I hope that this is recording. Today we are doing some work on how to make a 10 to add, and the strategy is a little confusing, so I wanted to make this video to be able to show you guys how to do it. Normally I would record on my phone. Today I'm recording on my document camera. So let's take a look at our first one. We know that we have to do 8 plus 4. Now, normally what you would do is just put 8 in your head, count up 4, and then you'll solve it, which is a totally valid strategy for you to use. But we're working on this specific strategy of making a 10 because we are also going to be using this with much higher level numbers in the near future, such as double-digit numbers. Here's how you do it. So we know that we have 8 plus 4, and we have to make a 10. In your homework, I included not only this sheet, but also this one. I'm going to be doing my example in a permanent marker, but your kids can do it with a pencil if they need to use the 10 frame to help them visualize. Once again, our problem was 8 plus 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bigger number and I'm going to fill up my 10 frame until I know that I filled in everything. So I know I have to put 8 here. So I'm going to do 8 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I have 8. Now, I know that it's 8 plus 4. So I have to see how many am I going to put in my base, in my 10 frame, to fill up the 10 frame, and how many am I going to have left? If I have 4 that I have to add, I'm going to look here. Oh, look, I only have 2 spaces. So I'm going to do 1, 2, and then I know that I have 2 left. So you can see that I have 8 plus 4. And now, while we're looking at this, we can see how did we split the 4 up? Into 2 plus 2. So we can go back to our sheet, and we know that we split 4 up into 2 plus 2. And now if we look at our 10 frame, we know we have 10 all the way filled plus 2. So we do 10 plus 2. And what does that get us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we know that our final answer is 12. So we put that here. And we also put that here. And there we go. That's how we solve it. We can even look at 9 plus 7 as a second example problem. I will pull up another one of these base 10 sheets. Okay. So if we have 9 plus 7, our first step, look at the bigger number, fill in the 10 frame. So we have 9. So I'm going to fill it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we know that we have to add 7. So let's fill in the 7 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now taking a look back at our sheet, how did we split up the 7? Into 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we knew we did 1 plus 6. And now we know 9 plus 1 equals 10. We have 6 left over. 10 plus 6. So we're accounting for the 10 plus the 6. And that equals 16. And we also put 16 right here. The reason that we do this with this strategy is because if we make a 10 first, 10 plus another number is far easier to add mentally because we already have 10 fingers and 10 toes. So if we make 10 first, like 9 plus 1, or, forgot to circle here, 8 plus 2, then we can do 10 plus 2 and get us 12 like this because we already know our 10 facts in our brain. Or 10 plus 6 to get 16. It makes it much easier to add. And we are going to be doing more work with this and this particular strategy, but we're going to be doing it with double digit numbers, which is why your kids got practice with the single digit numbers tonight. We'll keep working on this tomorrow and in the coming days. I know this strategy is a little confusing, so I wanted to make this video to be able to explain it to you all, and I hope that this helped. If you have any questions, you can always dojo me, or you can call at my school number. And I look forward to hearing from you if you have any questions. Thank you so much and have a wonderful afternoon. Bye.